Hello everybody, this is the second part of STM32 learning videos, and in this part I want to configure a GPIO pin in input mode and switching on and off an LED with a GPIO. So let's get started. For configuring a GPIO and connecting a micro switch to a microcontroller, we have two options. The first option is pull up the GPIO pin, and the second option is pull down the GPIO pin. So the first circuit is pull up. For example, it is STM32, and for example this is a GPIO pin, and here is the micro switch. The pull-up circuit is here, connect here to ground, and here to microcontroller pin, and here with a 10 kilo ohm resistor, to VCC. This is the pull-up circuit. When you push down the button, here become low, and when you release the button, here become high. And this is the second circuit. Second circuit is pull down. This is STM32. And here's a GPIO pin, and this is micro switch or the button use, and here we connect this to VCC instead of GND. And here are 10 kilo ohm resistor to the ground, GND, and now connect this to microcontroller. This is the pull down circuit. We work on both of them. In this video we configure two GPIO pins, one of them pull down and one of them pull up. And for turning on and off an LED, for example this is an output GPIO, I configure it to output and connect to an LED. and a resistor to ground. If you have any questions of pull down and pull up circuits, you can ask it in comments. Now we have to write a program to configure 2 GPIO pins input and 1 GPIO pin output. In the first project, I configured 1 GPIO to output, and in this video we use 3 GPIO pins, 1 output and 2 inputs. We make this project in the first part of the STM32 learning videos, and it's very easy to input and GPIO pin. Very easy. You can copy and paste this GPIO configuration, Ctrl C, and here Ctrl V. For example, I input the GPIO 14 and 15 like this. And Ctrl V here and change it to 15. It's very easy. Only you have to change this GPIO mode out push pull. Instead of out push pull, you have to write GPIO mode underline in. This mode is GPIO mode in floating, and it floats and it's not pull up and it's not pull down. And this mode is GPIO mode IPD, means input pull down. It's internal pull down, and this is input pull up, internal pull up. First we work with this mode, GPIO in floating. Now for reading the GPIO 14 and 15, we have to write this here. If GPIO underline read input data bit, read input data bit. GPIO underline C, and sorry, without underline, GPIO C, and here GPIO underline pin underline, for example 14. And here we can copy this here, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And else no, this Ctrl C. For turning off the LED, we have to write reset bits instead of set bits. Reset bits. GPIO reset bits, GPIO C, GPIO pin 13. Now I want to program this to the chip using F7. It's compiled without any errors. In, and here I take this and select on start program. I unplug it and plug it again. connect and start programming. Is application is running and file download complete. And here we can see what happened if I connect GPIO STM32 to the ground and I connect this wire to here and GPIO pin 14. This is 13 and this is 14. Look at this small LED here, or we can connect an LED here. The positive to the microcontroller and the negative to the ground. Now it's turned on, and if I connect this GPIO to ground, it turns on. On, off, on, off. But if you don't put it up or put it down, it have noisy like this. For example, I now turn it on, and if I touch without touch, it's turned off. On, and then I touch it, it's turned on, turned off. Now we can pull it up or down with this resistor. I pull it up. And the LED is always on, and when I connect this pin to ground, it turns off, and when I release it, it turns on again. Off, on, off, on, off, on. And when I pull it down, connect this resistor to GND. Only when I connect this wire to VCC, it gets on. And when I release this wire, it gets off. On, off, on, off, on, off. Now I want to use a real micro switch. I have many kind of them here. These are big switches, and these are deep switches. And this is a normal micro switch. I put it here. This is the simple push button. Now I connect pin 14 to here, and I connect this here. Not this, and this. Like this. When I push this button, the LED turns on, and when I release it, it turns off. On, off, on, off. And if I put this resistor inverse, I connect it to VCC and here to microcontroller's input, and I connect this wire to GND, and the LED is always on, and if I push this button it turns off. On, off, on, off. Now I want to use the internal pull up and pull down. If you want to use internal pull up or pull down, you can change this. It's very easy. Change the floating to input IPU. IPU is input pull up, and F7. Yeah, start programming. Okay. And here the LED is always on, and if I push this button it turns on. It's always on. If I push this it turns off. And the internal pull down, only you have to change the U character to D. Start programming. Okay. And now I have to connect the microswitch to VCC. And if I push this button, it turns on, and if I release it, it's turned off. On, off. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you enjoyed this video, and stay creative and make great projects. Bye.